Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards from Sapphire. The Pulse RX 9070 XT and the Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT Gaming OC. Both cards are built on AMD's RDNA4 architecture and boast 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. However, they cater to different types of gamers and enthusiasts. In this video, we will dive into their performance metrics, cooling capabilities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT Gaming OC takes the lead with its factory overclocked speed of up to 3060 MHz, compared to the Pulse's maximum of 2970 MHz. This difference can translate into higher frame rates in demanding games, making the Nitro Plus a better choice for enthusiasts looking for peak performance. However, the Pulse still offers excellent performance for its price, making it a solid option for gamers who prioritize value. Cooling is another critical factor to consider. The Nitro Plus features a robust cooling solution designed to handle extreme thermal loads, ensuring quieter operation and lower temperatures under heavy use. In contrast, the Pulse employs a more conservative cooler design, which is efficient but may run hotter under sustained loads. For users who plan to push their cards to the limit, the Nitro Plus offers superior thermal management. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The Sapphire Pulse RX 9070 XT is priced at $729, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Nitro Plus comes in at $779, reflecting its premium features and performance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and whether you value the additional performance and cooling capabilities of the Nitro Plus. In conclusion, both the Sapphire Pulse and Nitro Plus RX 9070 XT graphics cards offer excellent performance, but they cater to different audiences. The Pulse is ideal for gamers seeking value, while the Nitro Plus is perfect for those who demand the best performance and cooling. Whichever you choose, both cards are equipped to handle the latest games with ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.